You need some advertising done for your business, some signs, some t-shirts, something custom, call Miss Curl, 504-769-5521. Anything you need, there's no limitations. We do all type of signs. Here is a custom curve sign. This is the frame. This one is a 4x3. Custom curve sign. This one is a 4x3. This one goes for $450. They ranges from $250 to $450 for the structural frames. And then you come here and we get the signs made too. And we got a sign going on the front and the back of this. And this is heavy duty for the area. So if you need some signs done, you need some graphics done, you need some t-shirts, give us a call.